Hello, thanks for taking the time to watch this short video on how to develop our game for our mini school. We are going to be making a mathematical game. We are going to provide you 200 mathematical questions that look just like this. This is exactly what I would provide you. They are in PNG files, and they will have a set of mathematical problems. What you can do is you can pull one question off and crop it, and then what we will do is we will take that question and we will throw it into a video game. Our idea was to have a character, and this character, if you have a game template, character running around, and that character would run across maybe a billboard, maybe it would be a wall, and there might be some graffiti. The graffiti would be this math problem. Our character would come up to the problem, our player would guide them, and our character could just simply touch one of the buttons next to the answer choices. Another idea might be if the character had a spray can and could spray paint one of the answer choices. Our idea was our students who will be playing the game will have the character walking around trying to find the problems, and we are going to have the game consist of 15 questions per game. There will be a pool of 200 randomly selected questions that look exactly like this. I will provide PNG files of 200 questions like this. Each PNG file will have anywhere between 3 and 6 questions, so you can go ahead and crop out one of these on multiple times. You can go ahead and pull it however you want to do this. We need to get this into the game. Our character could walk around a maze, could walk around some kind of subterranean environment, anything that you have pre-existing. We will not provide you with graphics, and we will not provide you with any assets. We will not provide you with a character. We're looking for somebody that has a game already made, and the character could walk around and simply come across the problem and then either simply touch the button next to the correct answer, and when the button is pressed there would be some kind of a illumination if it's correct and a buzz if it's incorrect. Then the character would simply walk through the maze, walk through the terrain, walk through the jungle, walk through wherever environment you have created with pre-existing graphics that you have, and simply try and find all the 15 problems. Ideally, our students will have a calculator outside of the game, so when the student walks through the maze and comes across the first problem, so for example, if our character walks here, 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 through the maze or the jungle or whatever, and there's a problem here, they would simply stop, look at the problem, calculate the problem on their calculator outside of the game, and then select the answer choice on the wall. It could be on some kind of a garbage can, it could be on in an alley, on a wall, it could be a billboard, it could be anything, and then simply proceed through and try and find all of the math problems, the 15. At the end of the 15 there would be a score. Okay, great, you got all 15 questions and it looked like you got 8 correct of the 15. Let me show you a quick example of something that we were thinking of. I'll pause the video here and come right back. So here's a quick example of a game that's already a template that potentially could be developed into our game. So we'll use this small area here as an example. You'll see that the character is here. The character is proceeding through a pre-existing environment. All the graphics are already created. The character's already created. Here is the billboard problem, and let's say that over here You can see they did it different over here. They're the answer choices. But over here, you could have some buttons or answer choices highlighted. The character would proceed over here. And then just make your character jump up and touch one of the balloons that indicates the correct answer. And we just proceed through the environment. Let's go ahead, play this game real quick so you can kind of see how they did it. See, the character keeps proceeding through different environments. Here's another new environment. Here's a question here, and then here are the answer choices. And then it looks like the character is going to jump up and try and hit the correct answer choice. Here is a space version of this. Here's the problem, and then you're going to have to hit the correct answer. Going through different environments, seeing the questions, and then you jump to get the correct answer. Once again, we are going to provide 200 questions that are in PNG format. So you will have to pull the questions off of the file. The game is going to be 15 questions long. And each time you play the game, it's going to select different questions from the pool of 200. We will not provide any assets. We will not provide any characters. We will not provide any graphic backgrounds or anything. You need to provide all of that. That's what we're looking for our game. Please have a look and let us know if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.